Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a turtle named Tina. Tina was a very special turtle, not only because of her shiny brown shell and her lively blue cap, but also because she had a very unique passion: skateboarding. Every morning, Tina would wake up early, put on her cap, and head out with her skateboard under her arm. She would skate through the forest, greeting all her animal friends. "Good morning, Mrs. Fox. Hi, bunnies. Hello, Mr. Owl." Everyone knew and respected her because Tina was always kind and ready to help anyone in need. One day, while Tina was performing tricks on her skateboard near the river, she saw a young frog named Ricky looking very sad. Tina approached him and asked, "Hi, Ricky. Why are you so sad?" Ricky sighed and replied, "My pond is polluted, and we can't swim there anymore. I don't know what to do." Concerned, Tina decided to help Ricky. "Don't worry, Ricky. Together we'll find a solution. Let's go talk to the wise owl. He will know what to do." So, Tina and Ricky made their way to the tallest tree in the forest where the wise owl lived. After listening to the problem, the wise owl said, "Nature is a precious gift, and we must take care of it. If the pond is polluted, we must clean it. But we can't do it alone. We will need the help of all the forest animals." Encouraged by the wise owl's words, Tina and Ricky decided to organize a big meeting with all the animals. When everyone was gathered, Tina climbed onto a rock and said, "Dear friends, our friend Ricky needs our help. His pond is polluted and we need to clean it. If we work together, we can do it. Every small action can make a big difference." The forest animals, inspired by Tina's words, began to work together. The bees brought flowers to filter the water, the beavers built dams to stop the pollution, and the ants worked tirelessly to collect the trash. Even Tina, with her skateboard, transported small loads of debris to help clean the pond. After days of hard work, the pond became clear and sparkling again. Ricky and the other frogs could finally swim happily again. The forest animals celebrated together, thanking Tina for her courage and determination. The wise owl, observing the scene, said, "Tina, you have shown that with love and respect for nature and others, we can overcome any challenge. Your kindness and spirit of cooperation made the difference." Tina smiled and replied, "I didn't do anything alone. It was all of us working together that made this possible. Let's always remember to take care of our home, the forest, and to help each other because every little action counts. From that day on, Tina continued to skate through the forest with her skateboard, always ready to lend a hand to anyone in need, reminding everyone of the importance of respecting nature and being kind and loving to others. And so, amidst laughter and gratitude, the forest lived happily and harmoniously, with Tina as a shining example of goodness and respect for nature. And this is the story of Tina, the skateboarding turtle, who teaches us that love and respect can work wonders, not just for nature, but also for the people and animals around us.